Hello everyone, my name is Dilip and I am from Trivandrum Toastmasters. Anybody who is new to the Pathways journey in Toastmaster will have a lot of doubts regarding how to navigate through Pathways and complete your projects. Today, I'm going to give you a video which will help you easily navigate through your learning journey using Pathways. As a first step, let's look at selecting a pathway. The screen that you're viewing now will be slightly different for a new Toastmaster. Here, I've already selected my pathway and I've gone through a few levels. However, the Toastmaster International site gives you an option to choose an additional pathway at any point in time. So let me demonstrate how you can decide which pathway you want to choose. You go ahead and then click the button on Choose a Path. It gives you a screen where you can select your language. It also gives you an option to choose between digital resources or printed materials. Goes without saying, printed materials come with a cost, and the number of pathways in printed material will be slightly lesser than what you have in the digital resources. So as a matter of advantage, I would recommend choosing digital resources. Once you click on the button Select Digital Resources, it gives you again two options. One, view all path options, or take an online assessment. Before you begin, I will recommend you to have a view of all the path options that you have. Once you click Continue here, it gives all the options that you have to choose from. For novice speakers, Toastmaster International recommends Presentation Mastery. Have a view of all the titles that are listed in Pathways. There are 11 paths which include Dynamic Leadership, Engaging Humor, Innovative Planning, Leadership Development, and more. My recommendation to you would be to understand the pathway in its entirety. So go through the Pathways manual. There will be a PDF option available to you. If you are not able to search it from the Toastmasters site, your club members or executive committee will be able to help you with a PDF copy of the same. That document details all the contents inside the Pathways. Another important recommendation if you are new to the Pathways journey is that choose a path that best matches your style or your career aspirations. For example, if you're somebody who is aspiring for a leadership role soon, maybe dynamic leadership or strategic relationships could be the best pathways for you. If you're someone who is aspiring to be a stand-up comedian, it is easily guessable that you can go for engaging humor. For people who are on to planning, project management and similar profiles, innovative planning, motivational strategies or team collaborations would be the choices. Anyways, you are the best judge of what you want to be, and I'll leave it to you to choose what the best pathway is. If you need help, go back to the Preferences menu. Here, Toastmasters International also gives you an option to do an online assessment before you make a selection for the pathways. Click on the Take Assessments button and then click Continue. Here, you will be prompted to do a language selection, and then a list of questions will be thrown open to you. The site first asks you 3 topics which you would be interested on. Do the selection and there will be a list of follow-up questions. I am just doing a sample here, and then this questionnaire will continue until Toastmasters International gets an idea about your profile from the kind of choices that you make. It is like any other psychometric questionnaire. Once you complete the online assessment, the site will suggest you 3 paths which are recommended for you. You still have an option to override and then say that no, I don't want any of these 3. I've gone through the explanation of all the paths and this is a particular path that I would want to choose. At the end of the day, the choice is yours, and online assessment is just a tool to aid you or help you through the selection process. I hope that helps you in choosing a pathway. Now that you've chosen a pathway, let us come back to how you can navigate through the pathways journey. On the Toastmasters International site, after you log in, go to Pathways and go to the menu that reads Go to Basecamp. I have chosen effective coaching as my pathway, and all my learning journey would be summarized in the effective coaching menu. The first thing that you have to do is open your curriculum. Once you open your curriculum, the pathway will indicate the different levels through which you have to go to complete this journey. Let's look at the first level or level 1. Once you click on level 1, it will show you a progress here. Right now, I have reached level 4. So this is showing the total progress of my pathways, which is 73%. When I successfully complete level 5, this should indicate 100%. So this is the progress of your curriculum in total. The progress of a level will be indicated by the progress bar here. As I've completed level 1, it is giving me 100%. Now, let's look at how you would go through a level and complete the different projects or speeches in that level. For demonstration purposes, I'm choosing my level 5 because I've already completed till level 4. At level 5, I have this project to start now. The first step that I do here will be to activate this. There will be an activate button. Once you activate, it will go to the launch state. Click on the launch button. The Toastmasters International site will give you the necessary reading and support materials to do the project in this particular level. The first screen will be an introduction about the project and its overall purpose. Like you do in any other e-learning software, you can navigate through this and understand the different aspects of the project you're supposed to do. Let me also try to introduce some of the artifacts you will find in this journey. A project checklist would be a list of items that you will have to complete through doing this project. This is an important part. For any project, you will have to assess your skills before and after. And as the titles indicate, you will have to do the assessment before while you are doing this course, and once you present the project, you will have to assess the skills after. The same questions repeat, and the idea is to understand whether you have learned something new through doing this project. Like I said earlier, navigate through this learning material using the keys and then reach a point where it says your evaluation. Now, if you feel you need to jump or skip into any section, you can use these menu to do the same. At a stage where you reach the your evaluation section, all the materials that are required to be used through the project will be listed there. One thing that is of particular importance is the evaluation resource. Once you click the evaluation resource, a PDF document will appear in front of you. This is the document which you will have to give to the evaluator so that he or she is able to understand the purpose of the project and then evaluate you while you're making a speech. To repeat, once you start the process, complete all the sections. It is particularly important to assess your skills before and then travel through this journey until you reach your evaluation section. The next section after your evaluation is assess your skills after. Keep it for a time after you do the project. In other words, this is a stage where you should start preparing your speech and giving it at one of the subsequent club meetings. Let's assume that you have prepared the speech and done it at one of the meetings. You will have to come back to Pathways and ensure that you move forward here. The only section pending here is to assess your skills after. Do that exercise and you're done with the project as far as Pathways is concerned. But this doesn't give you the necessary title or completion certificate for this project. Now, let's look at how we can do it. Once you finish your speech and assess your skills after the speech, come back to your Pathways menu, and here you will have an option to mark the project as complete. On the launch button next to it, you will get an option to mark that project as complete. Once you do it, an information or an email will be triggered to your VP Education and the president of the club to validate it and confirm it from their side. Once these two steps happen, you will be ready to download a certificate of completion of the pathway. Let me demonstrate it using a previous pathway that I've completed. Once you finish the previous steps, this would be how your menu would be reflecting, and you have an option to view the certificate. Clicking on this will help you download a certificate which is a proof that you have completed a pathway. It is not just a proof, it is a recognition for all the hard work that you've put in through this process. You will be wondering, how would I upload my evaluation materials onto Pathways? Remember, we had downloaded the evaluation resource and sent it to our evaluator. To do that, there is an option in Pathways. You go back to the main Pathways menu. Once you go back to the main Pathways menu, you will get a folder that indicates My Documents. Click on the same, choose the particular level that you've completed, and use the upload option to add any materials that you have taken or written through the preparation exercise. Here, you will have to upload the evaluation report of your previous speech as well. You can add a file and upload any number of materials to it. I would recommend you upload your speech transcript, any PowerPoint presentation or video aid that you have used through the speech, and also, and most importantly, your evaluation resource that is returned by your evaluator after the speech in your club. Being a Toastmaster, we all know that meetings are not just about speeches and evaluations. There are other roles too. In Pathways, if you have to complete certain levels and you have to get the full credits, you need to ensure that the roles that you play in meetings are entered into the Pathways site. To do that, you can go to Basecamp profile. There is a menu called About Me. This will give you an idea about what are the role requirements that you have for different level completion. It also gives a summary about your email, interests, and the roles that you've played. Now, how does this role appear here? To add these roles, you have to go to the My Account page, and in My Account page, you have to select the date that you played different roles in your club or an outside club where you performed a role. Once you select these roles, you can save them so that it gets reflected in your profile, and that is used to add you the necessary credits for completion of your level 3 and level 4. One of the questions that I get often is, do I need to travel through the entire Pathways to download anything like an evaluation material or a video for my project? The answer is no. You don't have to navigate through Pathways always. There is a link called Tutorials and Resources. Click on that particular link and it will take you to a page where the full set of tutorials for Pathways journey is consolidated. Go to the search bar and search for the particular project that you're looking. If I want to download the evaluation material for storytelling, Connect with Storytelling project, I can just type that keyword here and the resources related to that will pop up. Click on that one and then it will give you the access to the evaluation material or videos that are part of this particular project. This way, it becomes easy to do a search and get access to the material that you need at any point in time. Friends, the objective of this video was to take you through the Pathways experience, how to navigate through the Pathways menu in Toastmasters International site. I hope you now have an idea on choosing a pathway, understanding how to complete a project, how to download an evaluation resource, and also to add your documents to your Pathways profile. If you have any questions, please feel free to direct them to your VP Education or any member in the executive committee. All the best with your Pathways journey. Thank you.